Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we will be presenting about building network design for computer labs at university. My name is Dwina Zuzerina.
My name is Mauladi Sadina.
I will be explaining about network in computing. Definition of network in computing. A network in computing is a group of two or more devices or nodes that can communicate. The device or nodes in question can be connected by physical or wireless connection. The key is that there are at least two separate components and they are connected. The purpose of this research is to understand about network and develop networks, especially in computer labs at universities, and to create effective and efficient network, a network that will use a safer and more practical topology. Network hardware. What hardware is used in making computer labs at the university? The hardware that are used are PC to process input data and produce output, server to serve data requests from computers, CCTV to monitor the interior and exterior of a property, access point for intra-signal transmitter, switch to connect multiple devices, printer to accept text and graphic output from the computer.
Network software. Definition of software. Software is digitally programmed, stored, and formatted data with specific function. This device itself does not have a physical form. You can operate via a computer. The software serves as the basic requirement for the computer to operate properly. The software has a function in managing the hardware or hardware on the computer. Software can also be used as a liaison between several software and other computer hardware. Software can also function as a command translator on other software in machine language. In addition, you can use this computer software to identify programs on your computer. Types of software. 1. Operating system. This type of software is used to manage every hardware device that is connected to the computer CPU. In addition, it also functions in translating activities and managing all processes that occur and are ordered by user on the CPU so that the user's commands can be carried by the computer property. Windows 10. Windows 10 is the best version of the current Microsoft Windows operating system, which was released on July 29, 2015. Part of the reason Microsoft decided to name its 2015 release Windows 10 is that the operating system is designed to be a new direction for Microsoft. One of the main goals of Windows 10 is to unify the Windows experience across multiple devices, such as desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. 2. Programming language. This type of software is the language used in making a program. If you explore, by example, there are several kinds of language that you can know, such as Java, PHP, HTML, C, C++, and many others. In making this program language will still require special software to design program according to the methods and structures that exist in the program language itself. 3. Application program. The application program here is a software that is generally used to complete certain tasks. In this case, the software can function in accordance with the purpose for which it was made. One example is Excel, Word, calculator, and others. 1. Microsoft Excel is a program or application that is part of the Microsoft Office intelligent package, which function to process numbers using a spreadsheet consisting of rows and columns to execute commands. Microsoft Excel has become the best data or number processing software in the world. Besides, the Microsoft Excel has been distributed on a multi-platform basis. Microsoft Excel is not only available on the Windows platform. Microsoft Excel is also available on Mac OS, Android, and Apple. Excel in Excel is an electronic spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet is a collection of cells consisting of rows and columns where you enter number in Microsoft Excel. 2. Microsoft Word is a Microsoft Word is a program that is part of the Microsoft Office intelligent package. Function as a word processing software including creating, editing, and formatting documents. Word processing software or word processing is a program used to process documents in the form of text such as letter, working papers, brochures, business cards, books, journals, and others. In addition, Microsoft Word is also available on various types of operating system. This application has been distributed on Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android operating system. This has led to the continued popularity of Microsoft Word, although there are many word processing applications that keep popping up. 3. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a Microsoft Office application program that is useful as the presentation media using several slides. This application is very popular and widely used from various circles, be it student, office and business, educators, and trainers. The presence of PowerPoints make a presentation run easier with the support of very interesting and sophisticated features. 4. Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Office Outlook is a personal information management application from this Microsoft Office suite. This application is usually used to send and read electronic mail or email. Even so, this application also has functions such as notes, journals, work schedules, and calendars. Microsoft Outlook can provide shared mailbox, calendar, and schedule access when combined with Microsoft Exchange Server. There are two versions of Outlook. namely Microsoft Outlook Express and Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook Express is a small version on Outlook that was first released with Windows 98. 5. Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is an application program resolved by Microsoft that is usable for creating, processing, and managing databases. Database is a collection of data archives in the form of tablets that are interconnected or related to produce information. To produce information, it's necessary to have data to be used as input. Computer Labs Building 1. What devices are used? In the Computer Lab Building 1, there are 20 PC, 4 CCTV, 2 servers, 2 printers, 2 switches, and 2 access points. What topology is used? Topology is used star topology. Computer Labs Building 1, the IP address is 192.168.100.1. Computer Labs Building 2. What devices are used? In the Computer Lab Building 2, there are 17 PC, 4 CCTV, 2 servers, 2 printers, 2 switches, and 2 access points. What topology is used? Topology is used star topology. The IP address 192.168.100.1. Computer Labs Building 3. What devices are used? In the Computer Lab Building 3, there are 21 PC, 4 CCTV, 2 server, 2 printers, 2 switch, 2 access point, and 1 routers. What topology is used? Topology is used star topology. The IP address 192.168.101. Characteristics of a star topology are as follows. 1. Its node communicates directly with the central node. Traffic data flows from the node to the central node and back again. 2. Easy to develop because its not only has a cable that is directly connected to the central node. 3. If there is damage to one of the nodes, the only that node is disturbed without disturbing other networks. 4. Can use lower cable because it only handles on traffic node and usually use UTP cable. Budget. How much budget is needed to make computer labs and university? Budget is needed to make computer labs at university is 499,364,394 rupiah. That's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.